pagkakatiwala ninyo sa amin para magbigay ng aral at inspirasyon.
Kung hindi ka importante sa tao, sa Diyos ay mahalaga.
Mahal din ako ng isang babae na magpapasaya sa puso ko.
Dito mas nakikilala natin ang mga totoong tao sa likod ng mga kwento ng ating mga kababayan.
Ano mo ginawa nila sa akin, ha? Ginawa nila ako?
Kaya ko pag-isip kung sakit ko kesa sa pagtrato mo sa amin ni nanay.
23 years na nating pinahahalagahan ang kwento ng bawat Pilipino.
Maaasahan. Mapagkakatiwalaan. Napakailanman.
Palakpakan mga kapuso! Grabe! Imagine nyo kung paano napagkasya yung 30 years in 30 seconds, di ba? 23 taon na kasama sa ating beaten habit ng panonood ng mga makabuluhan at may pagmamalaking kwento ng magpakailanman. Maraming salamat po mga kapuso sa patuloy na pagtangkilik. And here's to many more years to come. And also, bilang napaka-special ito, 23rd year anniversary ng Magpakailanman, I am excited to share the news that Magpakailanman will be having its own YouTube channel very soon to mark the show's 23rd year anniversary. And we will be uploading, mga kapuso, ang best episodes ng Magpakailanman through the years. Kaya abangan niyo po yan kung ano-ano ang mga episodes na yan. And now, let us open the floor for questions from our media friends. So, let's start off with Mr. Nicky Wang of Manila Standard.
Hello?
Hello? Miss Mel over here.
Hi, Nikki.
Hello po.
Welcome, Nikki. Nikki, can I have 1 minute?
Sure po.
Sapagkat ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon ay more or less about 1,000 episodes of Magpakailanman through the years, you know. And I imagine what information you will ask from me this afternoon, and being true to myself, I prepared, you know, and I gave my questions, imagining that these are the things you wanted to know. Tapos, yung mga sagot, syempre 1,000 ano naman yun, 1,000 episodes. Medyo, I had to go back, you know, and review all of these episodes. And so, if I may call on Chanda, where is my piece of, nasa yung research ko? Yan, very good. Thank you. I'll just get my research. Yeah. Yes! I have to have a ball pen. That is also being a true journalist. You are always with a ball pen. Hindi ka daw writer kung wala kang ball pen in your pocket. Anyway, okay, Nikki, let's do it.
Well, first of all, Miss Mel, congratulations.
Thank you.
20 years is a product of your hard work and of course the team behind the program.
Yes.
So I wanted to know from your point of view, ano po yung pinaka-milestone ng show na na-achieve in the last 23 years?
Milestone in terms of episodes or in terms of the progress of the show?
The progress of the show.
Oh, magaling isipin yan. It was a time when we were brought back on the air. You of course know that we were off the air for, ilan ba? 5 years was it, Sharon? 2? 3? Basta we were off the air. We were off the air because according to Mrs. Galmante, di ba? Sabi niya, at that time, it was already, ang ano daw, ang uso na noon, ang genre, no, at that time, was contest. Television na mga contest. Parang yung drama medyo, parang ayaw na daw ng drama. Of course, I cried. I cried and cried. Not in front of Wilma. Not the type to cry publicly. But I cried. I kept it in my heart. Okay? Because I didn't think it was true. I think people have different tastes. in my mind. You know? But you know, at hindi isa lang yung klase ng genre na magugustuhan ng televiewers. You know, in my mind, it was always, but people will always appreciate a drama. You know, true to life story. Basta yan, ikot na ikot sa utak ko talaga. Di ako nakakatulog. Why do they say na game shows na ang ano. Anyway, so of course, hindi mo naman pwedeng labanan ng ang network, di ba? But after several years, si Reggie naman ang sa akin, Reggie. Gusto ni FLG. Alam mo na yung cliche na yan, Cheryl, di ba? Sabi ni FLG, gano'n, no? Well, FLG, of course, represents Attorney Coulson, who fights him. No? She always gets what he wants. Parang gano'n. He wants you back on magpakailanman. What? So parang parang, ayoko nga. Parang tanggalin nyo, tapos, babalik nyo. Para naman kaming para naman kaming usapos na. Tapos ka na. You know, siyempre, tao lang ako. You know, I was harboring certain tapo, yung ganun. But as I said, FLG will get what he wants. And so, back. That is the biggest milestone. Was when Magpakailanman was brought back on the air. And he just said that. And it has been there since, ilang taon na tayo ngayon? More than 10 na? Ha? Ilan na? Ilan na tayo pagbalik? 13. Oh, tignan mo nga naman, 13 years na pala. Kala ko 10 years na. So now we have been on the air for 13 years.
Pero Miss Mel, kayo po ba personally naisip niyo na tatagal kayo ng 23 years yung show?
Wow, that's a nice question. That's not in my I did not think about that. Well, I did not think about that because I guess when you love what you're doing, you just flow with it, you know? Hindi ka naglalagay ng limit, hindi ba? Hindi ka maglilimit ng, 23 years na ako dito. Ganun. Hindi ganun eh. You just want you to flow, you did your best, and the hope is always there, you know, that you continue with what you do.
Well, on that note po, siguro we wanted to know, ano po ba yung secret ng Magpakailanman for his longevity?
Secret nga, ikaw naman.
Siguro naman po. Ano po ang meron ng MPK para magtagal ng 23 years sa television?
Biro lang kita. Isa yan sa mga research ko. Siyempre, hindi natin maaalis, no? We thank God for this, and I am one to believe that everything that happens to this world, at to us, is willed by the Lord. And then, Lord, thank you very, very much. GMA also is there. Kung wala ang GMA, tanggal na kami ng 2 taon, di ba? Kung wala ang GMA, they will lie the support of GMA. But not only GMA, it's the support of the advertising industry. Alam mo naman dito sa trabaho namin, pag hindi ka bumenti mo out. Kahit na magaling ka, kahit na maganda, kahit na nagre-rating. Kahit na nagre-rate ka eh. Siyempre, you have to accept that. It is a business. Pag hindi ka kumita, tapos na buhay mo. So what does that mean? That means that for all these years, 23 years, the show was earning for the company. Diba? Na-appreciate kami ng advertising industry. Oh, but more than that, more than all of that, it's the televiewers who appreciate us most. Diba? So, sikreto ba yun? Hindi sikreto yun eh. Hindi sikreto. That's how the business goes. That's how this industry goes. No? Yan. Tapos, I'd like to think, kasi, marami na rin naman sumunod sa aming concept, di ba? It's like, di ba? Nagkakopyahan din dyan ng mga kahit sa sarili mo, ano na rin eh. So I like to think it is because the televiewers see that magpakailanman loves them. Mahirap ipaliwanag mo. Pero nakikita na nila that this is the show that is really for them. That is really after what is good for them. It is the show that really gives them inspiration. It is a show that is really true. That has the credibility. That does not exploit, you know. At hindi siya yung nagyayabang lang. But really, if magpakailanman was a human being, magpakailanman loves them truly. And so when our time comes, 8/4, every Saturday, they tune in. Automatic. They tune in to magpakailanman. Hindi yung, kasi karamihan sa atin, uy, magandang episode ng ano, panoorin natin. Then you go, di ba? You go to your television set, you turn it on, tapos papanoorin mo. Hindi. Ito, pagtugtog ng Sabado, oops, magpakailanman, mamayang gabi, 8/4. At buksan nila, it has become a habit for all these years for our televiewers. And that is what I am so thankful for from my heart. Ang haba ko magsagot mo eh. Putulin mo ako eh. Alam mo, broadcaster ako. I can talk 3 days.
Ito sa
Okay.
pakinggan, and we're also inspired by the stories